Greetings from my nightmare. Okay, it's not really my nightmare, it's my mother-in-law's house, but I'm over here working on it today. I'm going to try and get cranking on that again now that stuff's kind of slowing down out at the farm. I'm going to try and get some more updates here, so I don't know what number Nightmare on Oak Street this is going to be, but yeah, so I'm resuming the Nightmare on Oak Street series. Sort of working in here in the kitchen today. I'm kind of coming up with a plan as far as, you know, sort of my next steps. I was really cranking and had really awesome momentum on the house, and then, you know, the farm kind of got crazy over the summer and then kind of took over doing the wood shop for a while, and I kind of lost momentum on the house, and so now I'm kind of working on that again, kind of planning my next couple of projects here. I think I'm going to try and get the kitchen designed in Google SketchUp today. And say, if you've not had a chance to play with it, it's free, it's awesome, I really like it. I've used it on a couple of quotes for wood projects. Anyway, yeah, say I'll try and get some video playing with that later today, but I'm just kind of taking my measurements of the kitchen. I don't know if you can read my scratches here, but I've just gone around, taking the tape measure, measured, started in one corner to all the different objects in the room. Laid that out. I'm going to go back and put it into Google SketchUp. And then, here's all the appliances. I'm just going to kind of put them in there in the virtual space and then kind of shuffle them around to where I like, you know, where I kind of thought they looked good in here, and then kind of go from there. Because I really can't get the wiring installed here in the kitchen until I kind of know where everything's going to go. So, and the same goes for this bathroom actually here. Squeeze through the wall here. This is going to be a bathroom in here, and so again I can't really start running the wiring until I actually know where stuff's gonna go. The upstairs is pretty much kind of set with the exception of the two bathrooms, and so we got most of the, probably like 90% of the wiring done. All that's left up there is I need to put in the the wiring for the smoke detector. Since that's in the ceiling, it should be really easy. It's just kind of a gross job because you've got the old insulation up there. But anyway, yeah, that's kind of what I'm up to today. When we get to the point where we're building stuff for this bathroom, it's going to be awesome. We're going to build a like a really deep Japanese style soaking tub out of red cedar. That should be a really cool project. I'm really looking forward to that one. The rest of the house is you know, old Victorian. It's from sort of slightly before the turn of the century, and turn of the 20th century, I guess, but it's, you know, kind of, I don't know if you watched my other videos, but, you know, a lot of the old woodwork still remains, like the really tall baseboard down there, you know, the nice transoms, so all that stuff is still intact in a lot of places. Upstairs, it's pretty much been destroyed or lost, so I'm going to have to remake a lot of that. But as you can see, a lot of the stuff, and then the doors in this house are just gorgeous. They're, you know, raised panel doors like that. But anyway, yeah, for the most part, I'm keeping it with the tradition of the house, or not tradition, but style of the house rather, and it's going to be Victorian. With the exception of the bathroom down here, I think I'm going to go for a Japanese style, which I'm just dying to actually make. The tub I'm just really looking forward to as a project. That should be fun. And then I'm thinking what I'll do is kind of put the tub over here, and then it'll be elevated, and then this whole area in here will be a shower pan, and then the actual place where you stand for the shower will be elevated above the shower drain pan, and it should be really cool if you kind of Google Japanese bathroom design. There's some really neat, you know, neat styles in there, and that's kind of what I think we're going to do for the bathroom in here. Yeah, really looking forward to building that one. That's just really got me pumped. I'm really looking forward to the bathtub because I can just scale it up and use it for a hot tub out at our place. They make some really cool wood-fired heaters for them, so I'm looking forward to just making two of them and having one be a hot tub for my house. So that should be exciting. Yeah, the kitchen in here is just a wreck. I kind of have been using it as a dumping ground when I was cleaning out in the shop and trying to get stuff straightened out there, but the appliances and stuff. These I think are gonna go in here somewhere. I haven't figured out exactly what. I was thinking about building sort of a fake cabinet around them where you can swing it out, or swing the cabinet open, and then the washer and dryer will be in there. I don't know if that's going to actually look very good. I saw on actually the Fog. You can check me out on the Festool owners group. Yeah, anyway, I saw on there somebody had built a a fake counter around one of those, and it looked really good. But I don't know if it will actually work with this washer and dryer or not. So I'm going to try and play with that in SketchUp today and see what I like. But yeah, anyway, this should be the sink over here. I've got a big double oven to go over here. The stove's going to kind of be in here somewhere. Another sink over here, or like a pot filler sink. There will be a pot filler in the wall. I'm thinking just corner cabinets here. I'm thinking refrigerator somewhere in here. There's this really neat old under the stair pantry cupboard that they were just going to wall in. I'm going to go ahead and reframe it where you can actually access it, to where that'll give you a lot more storage, and maybe try and come up with a sliding sort of cabinet in there. So it's going to be really cool. Stay tuned. We're going to have a lot of projects coming up here. As soon as the farm kind of dies down for the year, it's going to get crazy busy over here again. So anyway, yeah, thank you for watching. Check out the progress as it comes along here. Anyway, thank you for watching. Click, comment, subscribe, and any tool reviews or anything like that you want to see, just go ahead and message me on here. I've got a ton of Festool stuff and just other things like that. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching.